Hello guys, so I'm back again with another update about Bose QuietComfort Earbuds that has recently launched in the market. We will talk about specifications, design, price and much more about it, so keep watching till the end. After initially announcing them at the launch of the Bose 700 noise cancelling earphones last year, the US based audio product maker has now officially launched its latest TWS earbuds. The devices come with a similar TWS form factor but have some notable differences. The former offers active noise cancellation ANC, while the latter comes with a more rugged build meant to withstand heavy physical activity. The Bose QuietComfort earbuds feature an in-ear true wireless design. They come in a compact form factor with each bud measuring a little over an inch. As evident from the name, the buds ship with Bose proprietary noise cancelling technology to reduce ambient noise. It does so by using multiple microphones, tiny transducers, and a new algorithm. Bose also claims a battery life up to 6 hours for the buds themselves and an additional 12 hours with the case. Aimed at folks who like to tune into the music while working out, the Bose Sports earbuds have an almost magical defiance to shift or fall out, and features an entirely new acoustic system. The Bose Sports earbuds also come with an IPX4 rating that denotes water and sweat resistance. The device ships with a high-efficiency driver, new port design, and a volume-optimized equalizer. In terms of battery life, Bose claims they can work for up to 5 hours on a single charge and an additional 10 hours with the case. Now let's talk about the pricing and availability of the earbuds. While the QuietComfort earbuds has an asking price of $280, the Bose Sport is exactly $100 cheaper with $180 price tag. They are both up for pre-orders in the US on Bose official web store as well as on Amazon and Best Buy. So this is all we have got for now. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. Peace out.